Okay, we've all seen the ads on Facebook for this 100% wool pullover. I think you've all seen them. They use footage and photographs that aren't theirs. And it's a bunch of different little companies popping up. It's the same ad over and over again, but it's coming from a different account. And I want to tell you a little story. All right, this is an actual Leicester River Boreal shirt. Says right here on the tag, 100% wool, nylon trim, cold wash, no bleach, yada yada yada. Made in the USA with 100% domestic wool blanket material. Built under license from Empire Wool. All right, I don't know if it's going to focus on that. That's what we got. Back on December 2nd, I got tired of seeing the ads from these fake companies. All right. And wanting to investigate exactly how much of a scam it was, I'll be perfectly honest with you. I ordered one, and I actually never thought it would never come in. But I actually saw people commenting on those ads because people were asking, questions. Is it really 100% wool? Is it this? Is that? Do you really get what you order? And I saw a couple of people actually post pictures of what they got and swear they had them. And if you click through on their accounts, it's a real account instead of one of the. They had a whole bunch of people commenting on there that if you click their account name, you popped up to an account that had just been made a few days before, had no pictures, had no links, had nothing. It was basically an empty account just so they could comment. And I really never expected to get anything in. I waited for their 50% off sale for Christmas. So basically I got this thing for 38 bucks. And that was on December the 2nd. What happens when you click the ad, it takes you to a website and where you can order. All right. So their website said 7 to 10 days delivery, which jibed with the comments that were on the various ads. Take 7 to 10 days. Take 7 to 10 days. Also, there were people asking, where does this ship out of, or where is this made? And they came back and said, it's USA made. It ships out of Las Vegas, but a different ad said it shipped from different places. And the comments on the one that I actually ordered from said it shipped from Las Vegas, and that it was made in Las Vegas. But we know there's really no. Why would there be wool manufacturing in Las Vegas? I don't know. But anyway, I ordered the thing, and 42 bucks was the complete cost. And after a few days, I hadn't got an order confirmation, but I did get my PayPal information that had contact information for the company. So I sent an email to the email address that was attached to the PayPal invoice. It came back as unknown. So I went back to the company website that I ordered from, and they had like a customer service email. So I emailed that, came back as unknown email address. So I figured, yeah, really got screwed. Nothing's coming. And finally, after a few tries, I tried variations on the email addresses that were actually on the websites and on the contact information for the PayPal. And I finally got an answer for one of them. Went through, and I got an answer for one of them that said, basically 7 to 10 days. And I go, well, it's already past that. And they sent me a tracking number. The tracking number didn't correspond to anything that I could find. No UPS, no Postal Service, no FedEx, no DHL, none of that stuff. All right? And finally, they sent me a link. This is after about 16 or 17 days after I ordered the thing. And the link, of course, we know where this link is going to go to, because it actually was an active link. It went someplace. Went to China Post. And this thing had shipped out of someplace in China. some district in China, and it was en route to the airport. Now, finally, up to about December the 23rd, they kept sending me basically just a link to the same tracking, and on December 23rd, that link stopped updating. You could get in there, but no new news on the tracking information. The last one basically said it had been turned over to the airport for shipping. And I waited, and I waited, and I sent more emails. And I go, you guys need to tell me where this thing is. Either tell me when I'm going to get it, or send me a refund. I don't care which. Lo and behold, today I got the package. Let's open it together. I'm going to try to keep this under the normal Salty Dog 10-minute video, but I don't know if it's going to work out that way. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tell you right now that the weight of this package, even with the packing material, even with the envelope, all that stuff, is about half of what the Leicester River is. I can tell you before I even open this package, this is not wool. A little Chinese stuff on it. And let me show you this shipping address they sent from, if I can get it. From the Songdan, number 98, Dongtao, Qinshan district in China is where it shipped from. All right, this is what we got going on. Basically a hoodie with a adjustment in the front. Got some kind of a tag on it. Here it says Style Design YF Yingfen 1978. I don't know what any of that means. I hope that's not actually the date, 1978. It's very, very, very lightweight. Let's see what this thing's made out of, if it's even got a tag. Okay, no tag in the neck where most tags are. There's a tag. Oh, here we go. 35% cotton. Let's see if I can get this sealed. 35% cotton, 65% polyester. That makes it 100, so it's 0% wool. Very, very, very lightweight. I can hold this thing up to the light and see through it easily. I paid $38 for this thing. I don't even think it's worth that. It's like a $20 hoodie. Of course, it's got some work into it. It did have the adjustment and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to put it on and see what an extra large looks like from wherever the hell this came from in China. Let me get the hat off. It's a much tighter fit than my Leicester River extra large. Holy crap. Yeah. Not digging it. It's not as well made as the Leicester River, definitely. So, and it's way underweight compared to my Leicester River. I can see a few dots of light through my Leicester River, but I can't see through it like that. Like that thing. The Leicester River extra large actually fits like it's supposed to. like most of my other extra large stuff. So, that's what you get. I guess $38 wasn't bad for an experiment. $42 with the shipping, which I guess was really not bad from China. $42. But that's what you get. Salty Dog out.